Updating your API settings on Auth0 management is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your API settings are current and correctly configured. Step 1. Log into Auth0 dashboard. Access your Auth0 account by navigating to the Auth0 dashboard. Enter your credentials to log in. Step 2. Navigate to API section. Once logged in, locate the APIs section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to view a list of your existing APIs. Step 3. Select the API to update. From the list of APIs, find the specific API you wish to update. Click on its name to open the settings page for that API. Step 4. Modify API settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Auth0 to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After making the desired updates, scroll down and click the Save button to apply your changes. Ensure that all modifications are correctly saved before exiting. By following these steps, you can easily update your API settings on Auth0 management. Regularly reviewing and updating your settings helps maintain security and functionality.